Your ERP solution is the heartbeat of your business, but without the right connectivity, you are bound to have problems. So let's look at a few reasons as to why ERP solutions fail to work as expected for businesses in the Pacific Islands. So in the Pacific Islands, most ERP solutions deployed by businesses struggle because of unreliable links and, very importantly, poorly designed solutions that fail to consider end-to-end ERP connectivity. There is no traffic prioritization. Your ERP traffic gets treated like background noise. No quality of service, whether it's your voice, video, or less business critical traffic, or your ERP traffic, they all fight for the same bandwidth. No link failover. When one link at your branch goes down, your ERP system is offline. And finally, no visibility. You have absolutely no idea what's hogging your network. So what we do at Sprint Networks is we deliver end-to-end ERP connectivity all the way from the end user back to your ERP system, irrespective of where it's hosted, whether it's on-prem or on the cloud, so that your ERP users stay connected 24/7. We achieve this by leveraging multiple types of connectivity, whether it's MPLS, broadband, LTE, or satellite, to keep your ERP traffic flowing smoothly. We will always ensure that your ERP traffic gets topmost priority so that it's not stuck behind less business critical traffic. With redundancy through automatic failover, we can ensure that your ERP traffic remains online even during outages or congestion. So no more gaps, no more downtime, just reliable end-to-end ERP connectivity, ensuring that your business keeps moving forward 24/7. So let's make your ERP work everywhere.